Health benefits of kaffir lime leaves. This herb is known to have numerous health benefits, some of which are mentioned under primary use of this herb. This herb has particularly been used to treat numerous oral issues and is also known to help in the process of detoxification of blood. 1. Helps in the process of detoxification. This herb has been known to be effective in treating numerous oral issues. The leaves of this herb, when applied onto teeth and gum, can help in killing harmful bacteria and hence is utilized in toothpastes and mouthwash. 2. Helps in the process of detoxification. Decoctions prepared from the leaves of this herb have been known to be effective in treating as well as curing numerous sorts of blood infections. Pathogens are eliminated from the blood and thereby help in promotion of healthy blood levels. 3. Helps in treating numerous digestive issues. This herb has been known to be anti-inflammatory in nature and therefore has been known to cure numerous health issues related to digestion. It has been known as one of the effective cures for constipation and indigestion and can also help in prevention against any future issues occurring within digestive tract. 4. Helps in improving skin health. The components of this herb are mixed in numerous beauty products and high amounts of antioxidants present in the same help in treating skin issues while maintaining the health of skin cells. They help in bringing back the glow of skin while at the same time preventing issues such as acne and pimples. 5. Helps in reducing inflammation. This herb has been known as one of the effective cures for treating inflammation. It has been known to successfully cure pains related to arthritis and gout and can cure other muscle soreness and pains. 6. Helps in strengthening immune system. This herb has been known to contain anti-inflammatory as well as antiseptic properties and hence it tends to successfully cure any skin or body-related issues. It helps in maintaining the strength of immune system and hence at the same time can cure a number of disease trying to enter into the body. 7. Helps maintain health of hair. One of the lesser known advantages of this herb is its ability to cure issues related to scalp as well as hair. The decoction prepared from this herb, when applied on the scalp, can help cure issues such as dandruff and hair fall. How to use. The decoction prepared from the leaves is known to be consumed internally. Paste made out of leaves is also known to have numerous positive health effects. Caution. Don't consume this herb in high amounts as it can cause issues such as dizziness and lightheadedness. If you liked the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends and family. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.